So if you have Locket widget app installed, then you might receive this notification. Your Locket recap is ready. So what is Locket recap? So here you can see, for me it says not enough photos. It looks like you didn't take many photos during this time. In order to make a recap video, you need to have taken at least 4 photos. So basically Locket recap is kind of like a Spotify Wrapped, or just like a summary of all Lockets you sent in your history, and it will just generate a video. So if you receive this notification, you can just tap on Locket Recap, and then you will easily see the video of all Lockets you sent during that month. And then you can share that video on TikTok, on Snapchat, Instagram, and then you can edit or remove some photo from there. And it's like a nice looking vertical video summary of all photos you sent or received during specific months. And also in the end of the year, they just create Locket Recap for the end of the year. So that's basically the idea of Locket Recap. That's how it works.